Hello everyone. Do you want to add PC friends to Red Dead Redemption 2 online while playing on Xbox? Now let's walk through it together. First, you and your PC friend need to link your Rockstar Social Club accounts. This can be done by visiting the Rockstar Social Club website and logging in. Now once logged in, search for your friend's Rockstar Social Club username and send them a friend request. Your PC friend will need to accept the friend request through the Rockstar Social Club. Now after that, both of you can invite each other to join online sessions regardless of the platform. And that is how you can play with PC friends while on Xbox in Red Dead Redemption 2 online. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.